Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate the perfect cover image for your YouTube channel using Midjourney and Canva. I'll also give you some tips on how to customize the image and make it unique for your channel. First, we need to generate a collage of images using Midjourney. If, for example, our channel is about artificial intelligence, we'll use the following prompt. Imagine collage of generative AI images for a banner on YouTube. Photorealistic, 3:1 aspect ratio. Remember, you can play around with the aspect ratio and select several of the generated images to compose the final version of your banner. Midjourney generates 4 images initially, and you need to scale the ones you like. Once we've generated our images, we can move on to Canva. Here, we'll select the YouTube banner template and start customizing it. We'll upload the images generated by Midjourney and place them in the template, adjusting their size and position as needed. We can also add text and other elements to make the banner more attractive. Remember that Canva offers many templates and tools to customize your design. You can play around with different fonts, colors, and layouts to create a unique cover image for your channel. Finally, when you're satisfied with your design, you can download the image and upload it to your YouTube channel. And there you have it. Now you know how to generate an impressive cover image for your YouTube channel using Midjourney and Canva. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.